Is VLC Media Player refusing to open, crashing immediately, or doing absolutely nothing when you click it? Don't worry, there are a few straightforward fixes you can try. In this guide, we'll go from the quickest checks to deeper troubleshooting steps. Let's get VLC working again. First, make sure VLC isn't already running in the background. On Windows, open Task Manager and look for VLC Media Player in the Processes list. If you find it, select VLC and choose End Task. Then try opening VLC again. If VLC still won't open, restart your computer. This sounds basic, but it can clear a stuck process, temporary system issue, or resource conflict. After the restart, launch VLC before opening other heavy applications. Next, try launching VLC with administrator permissions. Right-click the VLC shortcut and select Run as administrator. If VLC opens this way, the problem may be related to permissions or access to a required file or folder. Corrupted preferences can also prevent VLC from starting correctly. If your version gives you the option, use the Reset Preferences feature. You can find this through VLC's Preferences area when the program can open, or reset VLC's configuration files when it cannot. If VLC still won't launch, the installation itself could be damaged. The safest approach is to uninstall VLC, restart your computer, and download a fresh installer from the official Videoland website. Then install the latest compatible version. Another possibility is security software blocking VLC. Temporarily check your antivirus or Windows security settings for blocked applications or alerts related to VLC. Don't disable protection unnecessarily. Instead, look for an existing block and allow VLC only if you trust the installation. Finally, make sure you're using a VLC version that's compatible with your operating system. If you've recently updated Windows, macOS, or Linux, an older VLC build could cause problems. Yeah, updating to a current release is usually worth checking. And that's how to troubleshoot VLC when it won't open. Start by ending any stuck VLC process, then restart your computer, check permissions, reset preferences, and reinstall VLC if necessary. So work through these steps in order, and you should be able to identify what's stopping VLC from launching.